Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. So today I'm going to be doing Suratul Kahf, ayat number 31 to 35. So let's get started. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Ayat number 31 is Ulaika lahum jannatu adnin tajri min tahtihimul anharu yuhallawna fiha min asawira min zahabin wa yalbasuna siyaban khuzram min sundusin wa istabrakim muttaqiina fiha ala al-ara'ik ni'mas sawabu wa hasunat murtafaqa. It is they who will have the gardens of eternity with rivers flowing under their feet. There they will be adorned with bracelets of gold and wear green garments of fine silk and rich brocade, reclining there on canopied couches. What a marvelous reward and what a fabulous place to rest. So, the reward of those who believe and spend their lives obeying Allah and His Messenger is being described in this ayat. They will be in beautiful gardens wearing fabulous dresses and jewelry, resting on couches and enjoying themselves, and they will not be worried about anything. Ayat number 32 is وَضْرِبْ لَهُمْ مَثَلَ الرَّجُلَيْنِ جَعَلْنَا لِأَحَدِهِمَا جَنَّتَيْنِ مِنْ أَعْنَابٍ وَحَفَفْنَاهُمَا بِنَخْلٍ وَجَعَلْنَا بَيْنَهُمَا زَرْعًا. Give them a prophet example of two men. To the disbelieving one, we gave two gardens of grapevines, and we surrounded with palm trees and placed various crops in between. So, this is the beginning of the second story of this surah, a story in which there are two men. One is rich and the other is not, and the rich one is not a believer. The rich friend has been blessed with two gardens, and these are no ordinary gardens. They have grapevines surrounded with palm trees loaded with fruit. Ayat number 33 is Kiltal Jannataini Atat Ukulaha Walam Tazlim min Hushay'a Wafajjarna Khilalahuma Nahara. Each garden yielded all its produce, never falling short, and we caused a river to flow between them. So, some more description of the beautiful gardens is being given. These gardens are loaded with fruits. To irrigate the gardens, there is a river flowing between them. All the blessings are combined together. Ayat number 34 is Wakana lahu samarun faqala li sahibihi wa huwa yuhawiruhu ana aksaru minka malam wa azu nafara. And he had other resources as well. So he boasted to the poor companion of his while conversing with him, I am greater than you in wealth and superior in manpower. So in this ayat, a conversation is being recorded between the rich man and his poor friend. The man boasted about his wealth and beautiful garden in front of his poor friend, feeling superior to him. The last ayat for today is ayat number 35, which is وَدَخَلَ جَنَّتَهُ وَهُوَ ظَالِمٌ لِنَفْسِهِ قَالَ مَا أَظُنُّ أَن تَبِيدَ هَٰذِهِ أَبَدًا. And as he entered his property while wronging his soul, saying, I do not think that this will ever perish. So the rich man was so proud of himself that he thought that all the wealth that he had, these two beautiful gardens full of fruits, would never go away. They would stay with him forever. So these were the ayahs for today. Inshallah, in my next video, I will continue with the next 5 ayahs. Fi aman Allah.